Hello, welcome back. So this time we're gonna make cookies. Remember last time I made like macarons? Oh, macarons, they were so funny. And I just like showed you three characters, right? Because the other ones, they didn't look like the characters at all. So anyway, now we're making the faces. So first we're gonna make Liam. I'm actually zooming in quite a lot because this is like kind of filming in the air. This is the way I used to film my books, but the books are kind of big and this is so small, so I have to zoom in a lot. So now we're making Lian's hair. Then now we just have to make Lian's mouth, which is a little bit tricky actually. Making these cookies, it's actually quite harder than I thought. There, her eyes are a little bit small, but I think it looks kind of a little bit like Lian. What do you think? So next we're gonna make Paisley this time, but sadly I don't have a red colored dough, so I do have like a light purple one, so I'm just gonna use that one for Paisley's hair. So remember, I didn't show you Paisley's macaron. That was because I actually forgot to cover one eye. Her hairstyle is like her signature, but I actually forgot about it. But of course, this time I didn't forget about it, so I'm gonna cover one eye. So we finished Paisley's hair. It looks kind of nice. It kind of looks like tuna sashimi. That's probably because there's like oil in the dough. So if we bake it, I think it's gonna be okay. Now we just need to make Paisley's mouth, and after that, it's gonna be finished. It was not so bad, right? So after Paisley, we're gonna make Alia. There you go. So Paisley's mouth, kind of like this. There you go, Paisley. Finished. It looks like Paisley, right? Not so bad. So the next doll, we're gonna make Alia. I bet it's gonna be a bit hard to make her hair. hair. I thought this was gonna be hard, but it's not so bad. I mean, I think it's quite good, isn't it? Oh, that smile looks kind of cute. So we're gonna put this thing here underneath. There you go. It looks like this, Alia. She looks so cute. I think it looks kind of nice. What do you think? So we've made Alia. Now on to the next doll. So it's gonna be Nova. So now we just have to make Nova's mouth, and after that we're gonna make Autumn. So Autumn's hair is kind of like orange color, so I'm gonna mix yellow and brown. So it's gonna be a little bit orange, kind of like light brown. So I think it's gonna be a little bit like orange because I don't have an orange color dough. So there you go. This is Nova. Let's take these doughs out. So we're gonna bake these 4 of these first. So bake the 4 of them first, and then now we're gonna make the other 4 characters. So first it's gonna be Autumn. Autumn's hair looks kind of good too. So her eyebrows and Autumn's eyes like this. So 2 eyes and Autumn's mouth. And next we have to make the boys. After Autumn, we're gonna make Leo. So let's make Autumn's mouth first. Autumn's mouth, and after that we can make Leo. So there you go. Autumn's smiley mouth like this. I think it looks kind of like Autumn. I'm quite good at making cookies, right? In the video it's like going really fast, but it took me like 5 hours. It's even harder than filming big Lego sets. It was actually really hard, but they look nice, so I guess it's worth it. So we made Autumn. Next we can make Leo. made Leo. He really looks like Leo, right? I think I made it really well. So this time we're gonna make Ollie. I actually didn't know the fact that Ollie was wearing glasses, but actually he is wearing glasses. So the last one, let's make Zach. So we've made Zach, so we finished making the characters, and these 4 characters I baked it, but unfortunately Lian broke. Oh, so sad. So these are the doughs that I didn't use, and surprisingly I didn't use green color at all. So I'm just gonna put the leftover doughs together and make other cookies. So now we also baked the other 4 characters. Ollie looks so cute, right? Ta-da! So I baked all the other cookies as well. Very crunchy. Looks delicious, right? So this is the end of the video and see you next time. Bye bye!